Hey everyone, today we are talking about Sonos. If you've ever wondered why Sonos is such a game changer compared to your usual Bluetooth speakers, stick around because once you get into the Sonos ecosystem, there's really no going back. So, what exactly is Sonos? In short, it's a wireless audio system that lets you play music, movies, and podcasts through your home without the messy wires or connection issues that usually come with traditional speakers. And that's what we're going to talk about today, the key difference of how it runs on Wi-Fi and not just Bluetooth. Most speakers you see today run on Bluetooth, which is fine, but it comes with some limitations. Range is short, connections can drop if someone calls you, and sound quality is often compressed. Sonos, on the other hand, runs on Wi-Fi, which means better sound quality, no compression like Bluetooth, stronger connection, it doesn't drop when you leave the room, and seamless multi-room audio, which brings us to the next point. Imagine this, you're in the living room listening to your favorite playlist on a Sonos Era 100. You walk into the kitchen and the music just follows you without missing a beat. That's multi-room audio. Well, with Sonos, you can group different speakers together so your music, movies, and even TV audio play seamlessly. You can also control everything with the Sonos app, making it super easy to adjust volume or switch between rooms. Now let's talk about a few key Sonos products. Era 100, this is your go-to smart speaker, but don't be fooled by its size. It's compact, powerful, and packs a punch. Now the Arc Ultra, if you want an immersive home theater experience, this soundbar is next level. It supports Dolby Atmos, which means sound isn't just coming from the front, it actually goes all around you for a 3D effect. And the Sub 4, this is where deep bass comes in. If you love the cinematic rumble or just want your music to hit harder, adding a Sub 4 takes everything up a notch. And the best part, you can mix and match all these to create your ideal Sonos setup. So whether you're upgrading your home audio or just stepping into the world of Sonos, this is a system that just works. No messy wires, no complicated setup, and just great sound everywhere. You can simply start with one. And that's all for this video, and if you found it useful, give it a like and subscribe for more audio breakdowns like this. And see you in the next one!